Welcome traders. You okay? So here is your well-known chart of Nifty 50 index, and we have find out the exact resistance on 5th January, and after that market fell down, and it is hovering around in this zone, right? So in this zone, the price action is really messy, but we will decode it shortly, and we'll talk about what is cooking up in coming days. Before that, I have already given you these dates that 19th January and 19th January and 16th January, which was this top. These are very important dates for us, and market fell from this level again. And so what the price action is telling us, okay, is it a buy on deep market, or the correction is still way to go? Okay, so let's dive in. Before that, let me analyze this again for you in bigger frame. See, if we'll always discuss about probabilities, and if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is wave 1 is completed here. See, I have marked it in black, wave 1. Okay, then an ABC correction was inevitable, and after that we have started an impulsive move again, which you can mark it as 1, 2, 1, A, B, C, 2. So keep it in mind that from here we have started wave 3. Okay, this is the first probability, that from here we have started wave 3. So this is wave 3 again, will be of 5 wave move, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is wave 3. Okay, so we are in wave 1 of 3. If wave 3 has started from here, we are in wave 1 of 3, which we have completed in here in 5th Jan. Okay, and after that we are doing ABC correction. Okay, so for that reason, so this correction we are doing, right? So after that, a bigger wave 3 should start. Fine. Okay, having these in mind, so this is wave 1 of 3, then wave 1 of 3 may develop like this. 1, this is an irregular flat correction, A, B, C, 2, then this is wave 3, wave 4, again an ABC, and an ending diagonal to complete wave 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why it is called an ending diagonal? Because the waves are overlapping. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 has entered wave 1 territory and then again bounced to complete wave 5. Okay, and after an ending diagonal, we always expect a very faster decline. Okay, which market has given us. Now this decline should go like this, A, B, C, right? For that reason, the first query is that, have we completed wave A, or wave A is still in progress? Then wave B will come and then C will follow, right? So these are the problems or questions that we need to address, right? So let's try to address this issue in today's video. Okay, so let's come back in smaller frame to analyze this move, right, from this top. Okay, now there are two probabilities here, and after discussing those probabilities, you can easily understand what should be your approach in the markets if you are looking to trade Nifty. Okay. Now, one thing that I can tell you that 90% people are really gambling the market, that you always know, and they will be always there because they will never learn and they expect always earning. So this is quite fuzzy statement, right? So for this reason, you need to understand the market structure very, very precisely, because you are trading an index where very, very big monies are operating, right? So it always plays with your emotion, and it will destroy you emotionally if you are not learning it properly. So having these in mind, let's understand what are the two probabilities. Now, first probability is that this is 1, 2, and this whole thing is wave 3, and this is wave 4, which is going on. Okay. For that reason, wave 4 can retrace. If it is 2, then wave 4 can retrace 38 to 50%. Okay. See, 38.2% is here, 50% is here, and it crossed this. Okay. It almost came to 61.8%, which is absurd for wave 4. But still, if we take these as wave 4, then wave 5 should follow, right? And what are the structures that wave 4 can develop? Okay, so wave 4 can be complex correction, or it may be a triangle. Okay, and in that case, you can see a clear triangle pattern is developing here. Okay, here is the pattern. This triangle pattern is developing in the market. What is the pattern? Triangle comes in A, B, C, D, and E. And in that case, we can expect another low in the market in Monday session, which should not break this low. Okay, this low is 25,603. It should not break this low to complete wave D, and then another pullback of this form A, B, C to complete wave E, and then it can go down for wave 5, which is this range. Okay, 25,371 to 25,318. Okay, so wave 5 may complete here. Okay, so what should be our approach now? You can easily understand. Okay, so this is after one dip, wait for this pullback, and this resistance is very, very important now, 25,770. Okay, and what is the invalidation level of this view? The invalidation level is 25,874. That is this high. Okay, whatever it is, this high is almost 25,873.5. So this is your invalidation level for this view. So if one goes short from this range, this should be your stop loss. Okay, you have to clear in your mind in order to trade this market. Okay, you have to be a clear trade plan. Otherwise, you will suffer like hell in this market. Okay, so remember this zone is the very strongest resistance now, and one can sell from this zone. See, this is not any trading recommendation. I am just showing you how to understand the market, right? Trading decision is all yours, and you will be responsible, only you will be responsible for your profit and loss. Anything you can incur, try to make your psychology this way that I am the only responsible person. Okay, right. So there should be this should be the structure. And now triangle, this triangle comes in wave B also. Okay, so in that case, we may have completed 1, 2, 3, 4 tiny bounce and 5 here already, which I am discussing in this area. Let me show you. Triangle comes in wave B also. Since, why I am considering this? Since this is the whole retracement, if it is wave A, then wave B may retrace up to 50 to 61.8% or 38 to 50% retracement, and this whole zone should be the resistance, and price reacted from this zone only. Okay, so this may be wave B also, right? And in that case, wave C projection is coming out much more deeper. Okay, so in that case, the target will be much more deeper. That you should keep in mind. Fine. So in any case, if we mix out two probabilities, you can find out that easily that either we are in wave 4, in which case another up move should come to complete wave E in the form of this ABC 3-wave move. So one should build up a short position here with this high as the stop loss and wait for this zone. Okay, if this zone breaks in very fast nature, okay, if this zone breaks in very fast nature and with gap down, because wave 5 is generally becomes slower. Okay, it becomes slower. If accumulation, when in wave 5 actually accumulation starts, and in that case wave 5 goes slower like this. It will move slower and then it will start its up move. Okay, then the reversal will start in very fast nature. But if we get gap downs, right, and in very fast nature, then what we should consider? That we should consider this as wave C, and we should hold our target for bigger reward. Okay, so in any case, as per my view, the market is still sell on rise. Okay, and having said that, I'm wishing you best of luck and happy trading. and stay disciplined, which is the most important part of this market. Right? Thank you.